Hi, honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Welcome to Wig Wednesday. And I will be reviewing this cutie here, Alpha Woman by Sensationnel. It's a half wig. And I have it in the color 2. And I've had this for quite a while. I'm not sure where I bought it or when I bought it, but I got it. So I went through my bag of wigs and I pulled this one out. So this is what she looks like. It's a yaki textured straight wig. It has a little bump to it. I forgot how long it was. But I've reviewed this before. I've had this a while. So I'm going to put some little oil sheen on it. Oil-free wig shine. Okay? It'll make it shine, but it ain't oily. And it smells good. I'm going to brush it. A paddle brush. Just livens it up. Look at the texture. Yucky. So it looks natural. Oh, let me show you the inside. It has a long comb at the top and a long comb at the bottom with 2 adjustable straps. And this kind of wig cap construction, light and airy. Okay. Brush it again. You can put it on, and I always wear mine with a headband. But you can comb a little bit of hair out and wear your hair over it, combed over it, and it should match just about everybody's hair texture. Well, I got my own hair in a ponytail that's tucked under. So I'm tucking this bottom comb up under that tucked under ponytail. Where are my bobby pins? I usually put a long bobby pin on each side, but I didn't bring none in here. I gotta go get them. Okay, went and got my 2 long bobby pins. I think this is sitting too far back. Let me pull it up some. Right there. I'm going to pull it closer to my ear. I do this to secure all my half wigs. I don't care how secure they feel. I'm in the habit of using these long bobby pins, 1 at each ear. You see how thin that weft is? Got this headband on. Let's see, where's the knot? Here's the knot. Okay, it's on. Look at that. It looks so natural. Okay, that's how it looks in the front. Left side. Back. Good, pretty, and it looks natural. Turn around to the right side. Okay. So, this is Alpha Woman in the color number 2 by Sensationnel. It says it's a textured half wig. It's from the Curls, Kinks and Company collection. This is super old. And it comes in a lot of colors. So these colors. And it looks just like the picture. She has her own hair parted down the middle. That's where it is on the cover too. Parted down the middle. And then put the wig a little behind her part, and then she combs some of her hair over the wig weft. But I like to wear my half wigs with headbands. That works for me. Okay, so I want to thank you all for watching. Let me hold this up. Trying to bend this back in place. Can you see it against this dark shirt? Okay, thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the evening. Okay. And I got on my eyelashes. These are the 12 millimeter. I took off the 10s. The 10s were like training wheels for me to get used to them. So I put these on a few minutes ago. These are 12s. They look natural too. And I started out with 14s, and they were a bit too long for me. So this looks like I have on mascara. Okay. I can get used to this. And I got the eyelashes up under my lash. I put the bonding glue up under my lash, and then I stuck the lash up underneath. I don't have nothing on top. And I don't feel the lashes at all. Okay. So I think they look pretty good. I'm liking them. And when I took my other lashes off, I look so funny. My eyes look bald-headed. So I'm thinking I'm going to be wearing lashes, because I don't look right without them now. So I understand what people mean when they say they have to wear their lashes. I'm loving them. And he's got a slight curl to him. Alright. So I'm gone for real now. Y'all be blessed. Bye. Okay.